Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Luxe Angel, and in this video, I am going to be showing you my latest OOTD. So let me just talk about what I'm doing today. It's really a low-key OOTD. Today, I am just doing a supply bag pickup for online schooling for my kiddos. And so I just need to go pick up some supplies. It is contactless. You drive up, there's bins outside, there's masks worn, there's no touching, anything like that. But because it's outside, it's super cold because, of course, it is the beginning of the year. It is January in Ohio, so it's really cold. And so I'm rocking my fur, okay? So my husband got me this fur for my anniversary. I am going to find out where he got it because I really don't even know. But I used to be like, oh, it's just too over the top. I'll wear my Calvin Klein peacoat. But honey, this fur is so warm. Oh my gosh. It is the warmest thing going. And I just love it. It's super cute and luxurious. It's a little long on me though, but whatever. But yeah, I just love it. It's super warm. So it's 32 degrees. So I definitely wanted to rock that. And then I'm just wearing a basic tank underneath that I just got from Amazon. Nothing major. I got it from Amazon. It's not a compression tank. It's just like an exercise type tank. Like I wear it to work out, or if I'm just running errands, it's like an athleisure type tank. Nothing to write home about or nothing spectacular, but just, you know, super reliable in a crunch, in a time pinch. Okay, and so then I am also wearing these pants by the brand called Yummy. And honey, I love these things. They have compression-like technology, I want to say. It is high-waisted and it like hugs in at the waist and just like really slims in any lumps and bumps, which is appreciated for me since I am postpartum right now and just trying to, you know, enjoy the holidays while being postpartum and maybe get back in the shape. Like, how does that work? You know, but whatever. Okay. So, but these are really comfortable. I love them. They look really good. And so if I just want a black pant that is warm and comfy, I put these on when I want a sleek look, because I like wearing a sleek look with this fur. So that's those. And then I just pulled out, these are my little babies. I'm gonna have to do a favorites. That's my kids playing in the background with the baby, don't worry. So I'm gonna have to do a favorites video because I am just loving these. All right, so these are the, I'll get the correct name, but they're the Juicy Couture Tulip Logo Rain Boots, I believe they're called. I'll get the correct name. But they are, I just love them. They're completely waterproof. They're black, but they just have a logo all up them and all up the back. If you can see there. Oh, I just love them. They are waterproof. And here, like, it doesn't get, sometimes it doesn't get too cold. It doesn't get cold enough to snow, so it's rainy. And so just for the wetness and the cold, they're just comfortable, easy to get on, pop off. And I just love them. I've been wearing them with like everything. So this is a super basic outfit today. Nothing spectacular, just hopping in the car, going to get the supplies, coming back. But this is just something that I wear when I don't have really much to do today, just running a quick errand, whoop whoop. But it's cold, so we're gonna be super luxe with the fur. All right. Okay, so on a day like this, guys, I want to be super incognito. I wear these beautiful sunnies from Dolce and Gabbana. I got these sunnies at Saks Off Fifth, and they originally retailed for, I don't know, I'll have it and I'll put it there. But when I came across them, they were like $130 on sale, and then I got them from extra off, and so I paid less than $100 for them. Like super savings. And they are authentic Dolce and Gabbana, and they came with the case and everything. They are so super cute, and I'll have the name for them. I think they're like the 55mm cat eye sunglasses. They are so cute. I love how they have the tint that goes from dark to light. Oh, I just love that fade. I am digging that in my sunnies. And I wear these when I want to be super incognito, but also be stylish. Like, this is some old Hollywood glamour, and I love wearing these with the fur coat because it just like, it's like, yes, breakfast at Tiffany's, and it's so glamorous and so stylish. So these are the details. Like, if I don't want to like do a whole full face of makeup, I'll put on some eyebrows and, you know, some lip gloss and put these on and a hat and just dip out. And so that's what I'm doing today. All right. And of course, today I am rocking the fabulous Louis Vuitton New Wave chain bag in the MM size. I am wearing this with everything, and I kind of want to wear this a lot because I'm like, I want to see how versatile it can be and how much I can, you know, wear it. Now, when I'm wearing it casual like this, I wear it with the handle because I just think it's super cute and it's like a bag charm. And I love it. I get so many compliments on this bag. Like, people stop me and ask me, what is that bag? So, yeah. This is what I'm rocking today. The fur with the Louis Vuitton New Wave chain bag and the yummy tights and the Juicy Couture tulip logo boots. And this is just a casual going out and picking up some stuff, you know, with the kids. And yeah, I think that's it for it, right? Oh, it's just so cute. It's so pretty. I just can't stop looking at it. Like, hey, baby. Hey, how we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Oh, we're gonna, yeah, I just want to keep looking at it. All right, I gotta go. Bye. All right, that's all for today. Love you.
Peace.